Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. Today I'll be showing you an authentic Naga dish, that is dry pig leg with broken rice. It's commonly known as Chagem pomba in Manipuri. In my dialect it's called Chakem Aan. Chagem pomba can be prepared with vegetable, non-veg, and it's very versatile. It's a special dish for us. And today's recipe is my uncle's recipe, and it takes a bit of time to cook, but the result is amazing. Mayam ngasi di Oksha makhong akang bani ko asisi chicken pom rage asisi matam di khra change do bu mahau di am lai bani ko asisi ai di am pam jaye ok khong isu yai do ga san khong isu yai ko adu asi the fresh season de ko dry oin season ne dry na traba fresh season ba hau te ko asi recipe is authentic Naga style ne ko Chagem pom si thau su hap te duga moroi marang gumba ko chanam khra yak na hap se duga phajana ot laga thong mane ba ko then yam hau bne hau yam lai bne the mayam su try to biyo. So let's start preparing it. These are the ingredients I'll be using: some dry pig leg, humorok dry bujolokya, garlic, and rice. Usually we use broken rice, but I don't have, so I'll be using a handful of this rice. At home we'll soak it, clean it and cut it, but this is already clean. I don't need to soak and clean it. Si ore Oksha makhong chicken pong no ngai si ko Oksha makhong dry ni ko kang bani du umro duga chanam duga ching si chicken moin season ab ni du chicken lai te bai ko ching on use tau jare ke first ok makhong kang la si ko. At home we prepare in earthen pot. It will take lots of time, like more than 2 hours it will take. So to shorten the time I'm using pressure cooker. So first I'll pressure cook it. Pressure cook tau thori ko yung di laibak sa pu de thong mane ba ko matam yam change du di pung ani hen change ba ko. So in this I'll put water, salt, thum half chili si, and I'll put the umrog as well. Si okhong si kangrab ne expand tawra kani bugo khra chaw khan la ka daw ne du ne ising se dum khra yam ha ko. If you want you can just cook it in this pressure cooker, but I want to change the pot. After putting the rice, keep stirring it. In this put some crushed garlic, around 1 tablespoon. Chanam half kre, little bit of turmeric powder. I'll put a piece of hairobog, kefir lime, it's optional. Hairobog machet mahab lage. Put enough water. Make sure to stir once a while and cook it until the meats are tender. The key to make this dish delicious is you have to keep on stirring it. Asi chagem thong magi khoi dem ro ib si ot pane ko ot paga na ching sing si chak sing si pig lakani aduga phajan last smooth oirakani ko dugi ot si yam darkar tai. Meat sing si soft oire ko. Now the meat has become soft, so it's almost ready. I hope Chakem thong di asi khabai si season go si wagi khabai si go. Now the gravy has thickened but not that thick. This is perfect for me. Chagem si yam thab su pam chak su apau bani yam ku bu talle ko adu si di pura ingo soft oire khra thick oire sine perfect consistency oire. I'll use a teaspoon of garlic again. Asi de chanam mo kati teaspoon mo gum half kre ko spoon pi pum sam habre sa na ne garlic se adu last mo khra half jabne. Garlic goes very well in this curry, so garnish it with garlic and coriander leaves. At home we use culantro. Yum dedi mirai pak sidinam ne bako som de laite bai dhania win sidinare phadi go moina. It will thicken a bit after it cools down. It's done. Switch off the flame. Mungre mathal lagi. Now it's time to enjoy. Let me show you my Chagem pomba. Sure. And I've prepared spring onion spicy salad. Tilaw met pinigo. And jalebi, homemade jalebi. Wow, super! It's so delicious. Yam hao eh, mahao yam lagi. It's been a long time I haven't had this dish. More than 10 years, I think. However, makhong hen flavor le sanchagi na. Sanchagi su hao yi kwa. Makhong hen flavor le, masao yaw ni na ko. Kin til hao met pa. Wow. Alright. Super. Pura may na. Kuhaw ni sige. The meat is a bit sticky, chewy, soft, and delicious. And it's good for skin. Asi oko ngayon kang hanbado ne ko. City do oire ko pasan kang ko. Yung dedi oko ngumba san ko ngumse ko may mathak te pasan kang halle ko. Ado imu ni badu pasan ising asabda tingnaga chamraga tawne duga smoky flavor su yam lai ko yung idi ko. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯑꯀꯪꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯦꯛꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯀꯪꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ Usually we don't eat sweets after meal. I feel like eating some sweets, so I prepare jalebi. So mayang singdi chak cha bum tung the sweet side ko thum ba cha ni moi ni mahausa ko moi gi hauna bi ni ko moi di cha da ba ya de hai na dre ba cha da di ko ai khoi di cha de ba moi dum hangi ba noi di athum ba kri cha bra hai ni ko ai khoi cha de hai ni ko dum khum ba ai khoi di dum snacks ki type da cha ning ba an cha ne do chak cha tok pa an da cha da ba ya di hai ba lai te hai ni ko si jalebi si yam hao ne kan de ba crispy di oiraga soft crispy ko shape ti yaad re do hao ne asi se ne jalebi si yam better khar lem do aina refrigerator da thamne ba ko adu thamraga chaning munga ne khar lau thor ngauraga cha jaw ne do freeze to ri yam dum thambe yai ko asi jalebi si summer gandi ashabum tamne di thuna ferment tawne maida ga ising to da thamdo pongkhat lakni aduga sintak tawna manam su khra lakni ko aduga spoon ot pagan su ko dum khra fluffy type the soft the ko pom khat pai do dum feel taw ba yani ba ko aduga noi li ngau ba yare do asi si nang na sangdar su ferment tawdi sangdar su freeze dum thambiro refrigerator thambiro dum matam sangman lau thoraga semraga cha ba yare ba ko ngasi gi si wai lo sinjerge mayam su yum ma pan thok tene yum ne phajana lairaga na yek laitena laibiramo duga ahaw haw su thongra cha biramo ngasi gi si wai lo sinjerge. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye, take care.